Hi, welcome back to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to do something kind of for the kiddos, but we're going to pep it up a little bit since we don't have any kiddos around. I guess you might call them cheesy chicken tenders or oven-baked fried chicken. What we're going to do here, I've got chicken that's been sitting in a mixture of about a half a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and about 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. And so that's been sitting in here kind of soaking in all the flavors. And then what I've done previously, what I have here is basically about 2 cups, and I've used extra crispy CHEEZ-ITS. You can use any of your cheese crackers, you can use Goldfish, and you can even experiment with the different flavors of Goldfish they have, or the different flavors of CHEEZ-ITS. So I got 2 cups of CHEEZ-ITS. I put in a half a cup of fresh Parmesan cheese, and I've mixed this all up. Oh, and since we have no kids around, I've spiced it up a little bit and put in a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Make it hot for Catherine, she'll like that.
Thank you.
So, so all we're going to do here is take the chicken that's been sitting in here for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and I've taken the chicken, I've cut it up into like little strips, chicken tenders. So all we're going to do is run each one of these things through and put them on a baking pan, and I've got it lined with foil, and I've sprayed it with some Pam. So now we've got all the chicken coated real good with the crackers. And I got a 425 degree preheated oven. So I'm gonna bake that for 15 to 20 minutes. We'll check it at 15 minutes and see what it looks like. You want it, those are pretty small pieces, so the chicken's gonna cook pretty quick. You want to check, make sure before the bread, when the breadcrumbs or when the crackers start to brown a little bit, you'll want to bring it out. It's been 20 minutes, so let's take the chicken out.
What was you, 20 minutes?
Yeah. Ooh. Looks nice. You can see the crackers starting to turn a little brown.
Yummy.
We'll take a few out here and we'll taste it when they cool off. Oops. All right, let's give it a taste here. I hope they've cooled off enough. Good and crunchy. Just enough of the cayenne to make it nice and spicy. So there you have it. Pretty easy recipe. If you like this recipe and want to see more, please like this video and subscribe to Ed Foodie on YouTube. Thank you.